At New Reach, you've had like 20, 30 offers you published and launched, right? Some have done over 100 million, some have like not done anything probably, right?
Yep.
What do you think after all that experience is the difference between offers that go like nuclear versus offers that don't work out?
Front man for us, we're a personal brand led. So like the first thing that comes to mind is not only are just they an expert, but will they commit to doing the work?
So not even the offer, but you're talking about like the charisma, work ethic,
the charisma, work ethic,
et cetera,
and personality
of the person. Okay,
the person
well, that
matters
makes sense.
a lot in growth.
But let's say somebody's not a publishing company, right? So they don't have to worry about that, or maybe they do. But you know, they're just stuck with what they got.
They're stuck with themselves.
So what would be the next thing from there? That makes sense.
Model jumping comes to mind. When people model jump, like, and we've done this too, I come in with a thesis.
I call that the opportunity switch.
Opportunity switch or shiny object syndrome. And really, I have 4 ways that we can screw this up. Have I worked with the target market before? That can be a variable, but I need to have at least some constants. Have I worked with this type of info product before for us? Like, have I used this funnel model before? And have I used this channel of acquisition? And I'm looking for 3 of the 4. Anytime that we dip below 3 of the 4, we've screwed it up. You could maybe make the exception of pace. I might have only had 2, but because he had such like, again, like
star
power, we got over that. I definitely was like, same target market, same product. I had those 2. And I was like, but channel with free Facebook group, like launching into that and then doing ads, that would have failed channel. And then model, slightly different version of a VSL funnel. So I had 3. I did have 3 of the 4 there.
Gotcha.
But
and the 4, just run me down the 4 again real fast.
Yeah, market, product, channel of acquisition, model.
And you want to be different in one of those.
You have to be. Otherwise, you're completely cloning someone's, ripping someone's offer. It's like what people hate in our industry. But you could do that, and that's the most effective way to launch.
Sure.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.